Adjusting your tap shoes, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific but important topic for all our dancers out there: how to adjust your tap shoes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced dancer, getting the right fit and comfort in your tap shoes is crucial for your performance and to prevent injuries. So, let's get started. Tap shoes are a unique type of footwear designed specifically for tap dancing. They have metal plates on the heel and toe, which create the distinctive tapping sound. However, comfort and fit are key to executing tap dance steps correctly and safely. A poorly adjusted tap shoe can lead to discomfort, slipping, and even injuries during dance routines. Before adjusting your tap shoes, it's important to identify the signs that adjustments are needed. These can include slipping heels or toes while dancing, excessive pressure on any part of the foot, difficulty in performing tap sounds clearly. If you experience any of these issues, it's time to adjust your tap shoes. Step 1. Check the laces. The first step in adjusting your tap shoes is to check the laces. Ensure they are laced properly, providing a snug but not overly tight fit. This helps in evenly distributing pressure across the foot. Step 2. Use insoles or padding. If there's too much room or if you're experiencing discomfort at the sole, consider adding insoles or padding. This can provide extra support and cushioning, especially for those with high arches or flat feet. Step 3. Adjust the taps. Adjusting the taps themselves can also make a big difference. If they're too loose, they might not produce the right sound, and if they're too tight, they could restrict movement. Use a screwdriver to adjust the tightness of the screws on the taps, ensuring they're secure but not overly tight. Maintaining your tap shoes is just as important as adjusting them. Regularly clean the leather or synthetic material of your shoes and check the screws on the taps to ensure they haven't loosened over time. Proper care will extend the life of your tap shoes and enhance your performance. Adjusting your tap shoes is a simple yet crucial part of your dance preparation, ensuring both comfort and performance. Remember, every dancer's feet are different, so take the time to make adjustments specific to your needs. We hope this guide helps you achieve the perfect fit for your tap dancing journey. Happy dancing, and see you in our next video.